Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I wanted to show you the sub box that I picked up from Jane's Agenda. And about 2 years ago, I want to say, I was subscribed to her sub box, and that is when I was using a half letter discbound planner. And let me tell you that my planner never looked so good. I absolutely love everything from Jane's Agenda, and I am super excited to be picking up her sub box again because I am gearing up for Go Getter Girls discbound planner. So I want to make it look super cute again, and I am just so excited to just get her sub box again. So let's go ahead and open her up. I will leave all of her information linked down in the description box below if you guys aren't interested. So let's go ahead and take these goodies out. And she does have 3 options of sub boxes. So we have the monthly cover club, and that one is $34.95, which includes shipping. And then she does have the monthly planner lifestyle sub box, which is $49.95. And then we have the deluxe monthly planner lifestyle sub box, and that one is $74.95, and they all include shipping. And I believe that I got the deluxe monthly planner lifestyle sub box, but I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and just rip into this because I am beyond excited. Okay, so let's see. And I believe I picked up the deluxe just because I wanted to get all of the covers and the dashboards and the accessories, and I believe that is what comes included in the deluxe. So let's see. So this is the November 2022 sub box, and look at how beautiful this is already. And let's see. So we have like a little list of everything that's included on here. So I think I'm gonna put that off to the side and reference it. So let's actually move that over to the side. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I see a pen, and it's the Uniball 0.07 mm. I love that it's black. It's nice and it's simple. It has the grip. So I can't wait to try this one out. And then we have, oh, look at how beautiful this red page flag is, because the holidays are right around the corner. So I believe this would be amazing. And I actually can't wait to get my December box, because I think she already, like, not revealed it, but did like a little sneak peek. And it is absolutely beautiful. So this is going to go great with like the red tones in it. And then we have, worry is a misuse of your imagination. So I love the red again. And then we have this, how do you pronounce that? I'm not even going to try, but it has the name and definition. I don't want to butcher it, so we'll leave it at that. So these are very beautiful. You could use these to like layer them and just put them with like a paper clip on the dashboard, the cover, whatever you would like. So these are so perfect. So I'm already loving this, and we actually just started. So there's that. And then this is the little page finder. I believe this is what she calls them. So it's nice and simple. I love that. And it's already punched because I did pick this up in the classic sized planner, and it comes punched. And you guys can choose any size that you would like. Just pick the size and pick which sub box you would like. And yeah, that's the one that I picked up because, like I said, I am gearing up for Go Getter Girls discount planner, and I want it to look so cute. So let's look at this, and I believe this is the cover. So let's look at it. Look at how simple this is. So it has that word again that I'm not even going to try to pronounce, and it looks like if it would be like a magazine cover. How cool is that? So I just love how simple her items are. And look, this is going to be the back. So very nice and simple. So there's that. Let's look at this. Okay, so I believe this is going to be, let's see, like a little dashboard. And look at how beautiful, like, the red is. This is just so stunning. Look at that. And this is the back. It looks like it's textured, but it is not. I love that. And then here is this. Oh, so this could be maybe like a cover as well, because it does have two. So you can either do like this or do both of these instead. So isn't that so pretty? Okay, so let's see. Ooh, look at this. I love like the little silhouette. It is pretty. Oh my gosh. I have always been in love with like Jane's Agenda aesthetic. Like, it is just so pretty. And that is why I decided to pick it up again. As soon as I knew that I wanted to get the Go Get a Girl DISCBOUND planner, I knew that I wanted to get Jane's Agenda sub box. Look at how simple and pretty this is. I am in love with it. It's vellum, so nice and simple. And then look at this. Oh, this is breathtaking. Wow, that's gorgeous. It's double-sided, very pretty. Look at these, very pretty. And then here's the back of what was in that one. I love how they're like black and white, right? So these are also pretty. We'll put those off to the side. Ooh, look at this one. Okay, there we go. And it looks like it's just lightning. And it's, look at how pretty this is. Like, you don't need to go all out. This is just gorgeous on its own. And look at that. Layered like this would look so pretty too. Oh, I love this. Very pretty. So let's see. What else do we have in here? So it says order tracker. So sometimes she will include inserts in here as well. So whether they're like weekly or daily inserts or just like little pages like this to track or anything like that, she always does include those with her sub boxes. So here they are. Let's see. So order tracker, we have item/order number, the store date shipped, and tracking number, and then you can check it off once it has been delivered. So this is going to be helpful, especially with the holidays coming up. Everyone is doing online shopping right now, and sometimes I even forget what I've ordered, if it has shipped, if I received it, or what. So these are actually going to be very helpful. Like I said, the holidays are right around the corner, and I can already see that I'm going to be doing a lot of online shopping. So these are going to come in handy. So let's keep going. So then we have, oh, holiday shopping. Okay, so, oh, let's see. It's like a wish list. That is a strong sticker. Okay, so let's see. So we have store slash website, deal, dates, and ordered or purchased. Oh, okay. So what deals are going on? Oh, and then we have a gift list. So person, item, details, and if it was ordered or purchased. Oh, so there's different ones. And it's double-sided, so front and back. And then we have my wish list. What, where, details, and if you ordered it / purchased it. Okay, so those are great little pages. And I love that they're double-sided as well. Oh, look at this. Look at how pretty this is. So, like a little pouch. Red bottom clear pen pouch. And it is vegan leather. So it has vegan leather accents and a red zipper. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I love that. Nice and simple. Love the black and the red. Here is their little logo. So there it is. Actually, let's see. Let's put the pen in here and maybe these little quote cards. They would fit amazing in here. This important/urgent page flag. Okay, so there we go. Maybe even the little page finder. Look at them. Fits nicely. Perfect for on the go. And I love the colors. So this is going to come in handy. You can simply just put it in your bag and be ready to go. Okay, so let's see what is in here. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at this. This is a black vegan leather with red stitching, and it is a mouse pad. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is such a nice little texture. Wow. I am amazed. I am amazed. The stitching is so beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so this box is amazing. I love all the accessories that are included with the sub box. I love all of these inserts. They're definitely going to come in handy once the holiday season is here. Let's see. Let's put it up here. I love this lightning strike cardstock dashboard. It is nice and it's simple. I just absolutely love it. Then we have this vellum dashboard as well. So pretty. We have the leopard dashboard. Absolutely stunning. That is such a beautiful picture. Then we have this one, and it's on both sides as well as these ones. And then we have the dashboard covers. So whether you use this one with the tulips or this like paint situation. So these are very pretty. Like I said, I am loving the pops of red. So perfect. And then we have this cover. It's nice and it's simple, and I cannot wait to use all of these items. So like I said, everything will be linked down below if you guys want to check out Jane's Agenda subscription box, or any of her inserts or accessories, or just anything on her website. I will leave all of the details linked down in the description box below so you guys can check them out, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use it, and I am just so excited about it. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.